Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about down counter, how we can use the down counter in Allen-Bradley PLC. I will open my RSLogix Classic for the communication PLC with my laptop. And secondly, I will open that RSLogix 500 for my program making. Simply click on the communications, go to your drivers and make it configuration. Click on auto configurations. As you got the message auto configuration successful, click it OK. Close this one and also close this one and simply go to the uploads and create new files. As you got the backup in your PC, you can start your program. First of all, this old program I will delete and I will make new program for counter. In previous lecture, we discussed about up counter. Now we will use that down counter. Simply click this one at down counter and I will take it here one user in bit area, one short rising edge. Because of, oh not this one, here we need this one short rising edge. Because of what's the benefit of one short rising edge, this will be as I giving one pulse, it will be passed only one pulse. If I make it directly that's input, after this will be made send too many signals in the counter. After counting will be disturbed. So that's I have to be give the input address and simply I go to this window and which number I colon 1.0 and after that's 0 to 15 which you need, which your choice you can use. I use this one first one and pick from here and drop it here and your input will be address will be ready. And next you have to be counter, choose which number you counter like to choose. Also you can go here this counter, this also you can see 0 C50. That's the we can give the number of our counter C column C colon 5/0. C5 colon 0 and preset value we will give this -10 for example I will give, and that's we will make it compile check our program is okay or not okay. Let's cancel. One bit we will take one more for on and off checks. This we will take one open contact of C5 colon 0, C5 colon 0 slash TN, and next we will take that output address out colon 2 slash 0. Any you can choose, it's nothing issue, and check the compile your program is okay and go to the download. Also you can go here and com, and here you can choose the download, and it is asking for where you like to save the program. Save the program and click it OK. Again click it OK. Now your program is downloading to the PLC. And go to the online. Now your program is running, and simply you can see your output is directly on because of there is will not use any other contact for his safety or something, but this is your output is on. You can fix it here one any input, for example, which is your for example you say when I make it on, after my output will be on. This you can choose, but I will give you only this is as a learning purpose. See, as I give my signal at I 1 colon 0, first signal when I giving, this will be counting 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10, and as this gives the 11, our output will be closed because of this is minus 11 signals are completed, our output is closed. And as I give this signal at 0, it will be next will be on. So this is the function of down counter, that up counting will be go values to the up, means when you put it at the 10, this will be now 10, but it will be counting look like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 7, -8, -9, -10, but this will be not on because of you using the down counter. That up counter you have to be choose must here -10 or 15, -10, -5, which is your at your choice. Make it 0 when this one, after your output will be continuously on, and as you gives the signal when it's completed, 15 signals are completed. This can be a signal from field sensor or whatever. This as is completed 15, after your output will be closed. So I hope you understand this countdown down counter down how we can use. This is must be when you're using this counter down, you will be use one short tracing edge, because of without one short tracing edge your pulses will be go directly and will be very high condition. So I hope understand. If you not understand anything, send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.